Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Katarenga, a chess variant. Katarenga was created by David Parlin in the 1970s, and since Katarenga is a chess variant, it has most of the rules that chess has. This is Katarenga's board. It comes with 5 squares. The squares on the corners are the enemy outposts, while the center square is where you place the 4 board pieces. You shuffle and rotate these at the start of every game. To make these board pieces, you'll have to get 4 sheets of printer paper, cut them into 8 by 8 pieces, and then make each tile into 1 by 1 section, and then you'll have to make them into the following patterns. To make the overall board, you're going to have to make the center square 16 inches by 16 inches to cover all 4 board pieces. Then, you're going to have to make the corner pieces 1 inch by 1 inch, and then make the negative space gray. When the pawn's in the blue space, it means it can move like a king, so you can move 1 space in any direction. Whenever a pawn's in the green space, it means it can move like a horse, so you can move in an L shape any direction. When the pawn's in the yellow space, it means it can move like a bishop any direction. But whenever you hit another yellow space, you have to immediately stop. Whenever the pawn's in the red space, it means it can move like a rook. But whenever it hits another red space, it has to immediately stop. Now we'll be starting the game by shuffling the boards. And placing the 8 pawns to the row closest towards you. And you usually start with the white one, so we'll begin the game now. I won. And that's how you beat the game, by making your 2 pawns reach the end of the course.